What's up YouTube, it's Julio here from RPTINTING and RPFILMS, and today I wanted to give you guys an update on our new warehouse remodel. So here's some backstory to this. We've done a lot of changes to this warehouse, and I wanted to do something that really brought us back to normal, our roots, and really gave us a fun and like warm environment to work in. Still have some updates to make, but right now the goal was for 2023 to have a nice facility that customers come into and they can appreciate. Also, we used to have our Tint school, and we have our shop, we have a couple offices, but I wanted to turn it into a, this camera's heavy. I wanted to actually convert it into our store, which is where we're actually gonna be doing in-store pickup for people in Northern California. So that's what we did, and a lot of work went into this build. Not super expensive. We did a lot of the work ourselves because we had some time in the winter. So I'll walk you guys through the warehouse, show you guys what's going on, and also show you the updated in-person store, which will be available within, I think, a week or 2 weeks. Okay, so we're gonna start off in the office, and I will be limping today because I'm pretty sore from my soccer game yesterday, but let's go ahead and walk through. So let's turn it. All right, so we went with the angel white look in the front office, and here we just have our products and a nice front desk. I'm gonna go over here. So right here, we're adding a dye film to offer as like $200 pricing. We have our carbon window film, and we just gotta add our 50 and our 70. And then we have our ceramic options right there. This is a great demonstration to actually, make it easier for people to visualize and see the different shades, the different options. And essentially, we just go to this back button here, and we can actually have them stand there and demo the difference. This is how we're able to really increase our sales. You could just put like a little, small heat demo there if you wanted to. But yeah, this is the front office, pretty nice. We still have the same parking lots, parking units. This is the main warehouse. So this is kind of where all the work is done. We've been doing a one-car operation, so it's been working pretty good. We have a reel on that side. We're adding a reel on this side because we got to get that one down. And we have a couple pieces of glass. So one piece of glass on the left side, huge one on the middle. We actually had to build this custom for this huge heavy glass. We have our plotter, our film, another piece of glass, and another piece of glass. Now I'll do an updated cart video in the future. My cart's a little messy right now, but that's what we have for the day. Now, the next one, also we added a bell so we can always hear customers coming in because that was kind of an issue. Now here is where we're gonna store all of the distribution. So let's walk through these doors here. Now right here is kind of a mess right now. Just gotta move all this. We have this, storage solution for all the, stuff that we need. And then here we have, basically a huge space to actually fill with pallets of product. So probably a couple thousand units that we could fit in here. Right now we are sampling boxes. Trust me guys, I understand the box situation. It's not the best. We are working on boxes. It's not as easy as just buying boxes. Like these boxes can go from like $3 a box to like $6, $7 for packaging per box. And we have hundreds of units, sometimes thousands of units. So we're increasing the durability of our boxes. This was the old box. Sorry, this was the old box, and see how they get kind of damaged? Well, these new boxes are much more sturdy. Look how much more aggressive they are. So the thickness on these boxes is really amazing. So they'll have our logos and everything. Now in the meantime, buy the product. The packaging will arrive. The film is intact, but hopefully you guys can bear with me on the packaging. It's not easy, and it's extremely expensive. Okay, so this is where customers come in. No, sorry, customers will not come in this area. This is just where we're gonna stack all of our product, make it super organized and easy to maneuver. So hope you guys enjoyed this little tour. Show you like the wide angle shot from this side. This is, we put a big white tarp to kind of hide off any tools up there and in the mess, but it's gonna be super effective. Actually, I still got to show you guys my office. So I get here at 6 a.m. To do work in the morning, but kind of have all my stuff here ready to work in my office. That way I can essentially live here while I have to not live here, but work out of this area. And yeah, guys, so wanted to just show you guys a new updated shop tour. And if you guys are going to be in Northern California tinting windows, make sure to stop by and order some product from us. All you got to do is go to the website, click order in-store pickup, and you can pick up in our California location. We won't be shipping out of California just yet, but we are shipping out of Texas. So if you need any film, you can order it from Texas, or you can just come in here and buy it. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it for me on this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.